Okay, everybody, this one's a new one. Well, I tell you, mama, I'm sick of this drama. Our love life is such a mess. If I only knew what you'd be putting me through, I'd already be gone, I guess. You go out early, come home late. You're a verb that I can't conjugate. You smell like Pullman but act like freight. Don't you know this train done gone? I say, don't you know this train done gone? With all this pain, I can't explain why I wait so long. You want me waiting at the station, but I done canceled your reservation. It's time I took a long vacation. Goodbye, this train done gone. Well, I tell you, mama, this backwoods drama, it's all been done before. Though I tried to do the best for you, I can't take it anymore. I pack my bag, put on my coat. If I miss my train, I'll take a boat. But honey, that's all she wrote. Goodbye, this train done gone. We used to be so good together. For sure, we had a few good times. While we did what we could, like 2 tracks through the woods. You got your right away, and I got mine. I say, don't you know your train done gone? With all this pain, I can't explain why I wait so long. You want me waiting at the station, but I done canceled your reservation. It's time I took a long vacation. Goodbye, this train done gone. Goodbye, this train done gone. Goodbye, this train done gone. That's all, folks.